What's up, you guys? Back with another episode of Living in Denver, here with my trusty sidekick, Charlie, today. Gonna go out and check out Richmond American Homes. So Richmond American Homes is on the southwestern side of town. It's called Belleview Village is the name of the community. I'm gonna be doing drone footage, gonna go actually in one of the units and do a full POV tour, and then also do a little bit of Google Maps just to show you where exactly this location is and what makes it so special as it's on the southwestern side of town, one of my favorite parts of Denver. So looking forward to sharing it with you guys. Stay tuned. right, sorry to stop the video, but really quick, just want to remind you, my name is Adam Lang. I'm a licensed realtor here in Denver, Colorado. As much as I love making videos, just like this one you're watching right now, what I like even more is just connecting with viewers like yourselves, people that are considering moving to Denver, Colorado, and hopefully find out a few ways that I can help, provide some additional value to you. So reach out. My phone number, my email, all that info is down below. I look forward to connecting with you. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. All right, so here we are in Google Maps. I wanted just to quickly show you a couple features about this community and why I really love this southwestern side of Denver. So as you can see here, we have downtown Denver here. You can see just some of the larger text, the bigger areas such as Lakewood, Aurora, and obviously all this green stuff is the mountains. So the western slope going up into the beautiful Rocky Mountains. If you guys notice, as I zoom over here just a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and type in here Belleview Village. That's this Richmond Homes community. Zoom out just a little bit so you have a little bit better perspective here. So here we are, downtown Denver. This is, again, southwest side of town. And why I love this area specifically is you're so close to so much. Not only are you available to get up to the mountains very easily within a 10-minute drive, you also have the ability to go a little bit further south and enjoy some really, in my opinion, probably some of the best parts of Denver when it comes to just like retail, shopping, you know, a lot of options when it comes to restaurants, all that good stuff. And that would be Ken Carroll, but also Highlands Ranch. So I'm going to zoom in again a little bit more so you can see this Richmond Homes community, Belleview Village. And we have a couple big thoroughfares here. We have Highway 285, which is a great east-west road that'll take you all the way to Denver, even into Aurora. You can also, though, just go barely west, literally just a couple blocks from here, and you have direct access to C470. And C470 is what I was referring to, where you can take this. It looks like it's a north-south road here, but it takes a pretty sharp turn where it becomes east-west, and this is what's going to take you right into Highlands Ranch, which is down here on the bottom right of my screen. Highlands Ranch is the largest master plan community in the state, and because of that, as you can imagine, there are a lot of people there that are bringing in all kinds of great stuff, restaurants, movie theaters, shopping, all that fun stuff. So you have very easy access to that if you live in this part of town. You also have Chatfield Reservoir. It's one of my favorite places in the summertime to go water skiing and wakeboarding. Very easy access for that. And going back up here, Bellevue Village again is right here where I'm circling, just barely to the north and west of this community. I would say on a bike, you could get there in 15 minutes. In a car, 5 minutes, maybe 10. Bear Creek Lake Park. Bear Creek Lake Park has a lot of really fun stuff to do in the summer and fall. Probably the biggest paddleboarding spot in the state. You go there on a Saturday morning, you're going to see 100+ people out there on paddleboards, kayaks, drinking beers, hanging out, throwing the frisbee around. Just a very social, fun. It really does almost feel like you're on the beach, but here you are in Colorado. In addition to Bear Creek Lake Park, I also really like the ability for Highway 285 for you living in this side of town to just take this up west into the basically just the very beginning of the mountains. And you can go from there all the way up into some really cool towns. There's what we call Conifer, which is a ways up here, which is right here. But before that, you also have a few other places, Aspen Park, Indian Hills. All of these have great hiking, mountain biking, all of that stuff that for a lot of people are the reason that they move here to Colorado. So that is all so close to you when you live on this side of town. Just imagine, again, if you were on the southeast, for example, way over here in maybe Dove Valley or Centennial, just to get to this area that I'm referring to is going to be 30, 40 minutes. So the ability to be able to just get off of work or just get home from school, whatever part of your life you're in, but be able to just immediately, within 10 minutes of leaving your front door, access all of this great stuff. If you're a golfer, there's a ton of great golfing all around this southwestern side of Denver. And also if you're a music buff, if you love going to live concerts, Red Rocks Amphitheater, which is in my opinion, the best in the state, probably in the world, to be honest. I mean, just look at this video, how awesome that looks. This is just right out your back door. If you're, in other parts of Denver, you might have to take an Uber or a cab, and it's going to be this big ordeal just to get to and from the concert. When you live in this side of town, it's just, it's so much easier, and it'll make you more motivated to go to more concerts, hopefully. So again, guys, just wanted to share a couple of these things with you. I'll leave it with that. Let's go back to the rest of the video and look forward to sharing more of it with you. All right. Well, I'm back in my office after a great day visiting Richmond Homes. I thought that was one of the nicest new construction, new build communities here in Denver. I really like the higher end finishes with the quartz countertops and just the color scheme and just the layout of how they have their homes that are available to buy. So hope you guys also enjoyed it. Please don't forget that like and that subscribe button below. Every week I release videos just like this, and I want to make sure you're the first ones to receive them. And as always, you guys know I'm a licensed realtor here in Denver, Colorado. Whether you're looking to buy a home now or maybe in 2 or 3 years, it doesn't matter. I'd love to still connect. So phone number, email, all that info is also below, and I would look forward to hopefully connecting with you and finding out a few different ways that I can just provide more value to you. So until next week, I'll see you then. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.